I think this one is being driven by not just politics, but the sense that the Prime Minister really wants to get the economy open. But it is an unusual thing, brave is one way of putting it, to be opening up at just the point when cases are surging, albeit from a low level. And the world is looking to Britain with astonishment, but also to see what happens with this experiment, which is really an experiment about whether the vaccines can break the pattern of the past, whether enough people are vaccinated to mean that the surge doesn't really take off.
So in a sense, you could argue that England is, whether it intends to or not, is doing the world a huge favour by providing this kind of giant experiment on whether the system and people can withstand the Delta variant.
I guess that's right. I'm not sure it's an experiment the world is rushing to run on itself, but people are looking very closely. But you're referring at the beginning to the pingdemic, and this is where the government policy looks not just brave but contradictory, because on the one hand it's saying open up, on the other hand saying isolate yourself if you get pinged, and more people have been because the virus is spreading quickly at the moment. And yet it's got this policy which is dangling, just coming as soon as August the 16th, where you'll be able to test yourself or get tested. And then if you're free of virus, keep going to work. And people are saying, well, if you're going to do that then, just 3 weeks away, why not now? And there isn't really a good answer, I think.